Okay, hi guys, my name is Deepak Kurgi, and today date is 1 August 2024, and today we discuss about the constructor in Java. So yeah, so constructor, constructor is a block of code similar to method, but it does not have any return type. And constructor is called automatically when instance of the class is created. So at the time of calling the constructor, memory for the object is allocated in the memory. So in the memory, so constructor, uh, every time object is created using new keyword, and at least one constructor is available in the memory, and available in the memory, sorry, class, at least because by default, default constructor is available in the class. Default constructor, if any constructor is not available in the class, so in such cases, so Java in such cases, so Java compiler provide default constructor by default. So the coming to the constructor has a special type of method. So it is a which is used to initialize the object, and constructor is created constructor has the same name as a class name, and so constructor, uh, we can call the constructor, it will be automatically called, so we don't implicitly call that constructor. Okay, explicitly call that constructor. Constructor has a rules, like just like when you create the constructor, same name as a class name. Constructor does not have any return type. Constructor can't be abstract, static, final, and synchronized. Coming to the types, constructor has the two types. First one is the non-argument constructor, and another is the parameterizer constructor. So no argument constructor is just like a default constructor. If you want to create a default constructor, you have to create the default constructor also. Uh, Suppose if you the main purpose of default constructor, they have to provide the default value to field, and if you suppose there is a create any int variable, we have to just declare that variable. We don't doesn't provide any value. So that time the compiler will be called default constructor, and default constructor have provided default value that field. That the main purpose of that the main purpose of default constructor. And parametric constructor is a user defined constructor, so it will be called at the time of object created. Sorry, it is a is a user defined constructor, and we have to pass multiple parameter as a default, as a parameter. And so constructor can be overloaded, so if you want to pass any, yeah so that's about the constructor. When we compare with the method, so method and constructor has a few various reason they have different that, just like constructor does not have any return type, and the constructor method has a return type, just like return type. And another one thing is a main thing, just like when we create an instance of the class, the constructor is automatically called, but method has a does not automatically call. We have to explicitly call that constructor when you create object of the when you create object of class. So that time we have to call that any method manually. So that about the method. And so overall thing we have discussed all the things of constructor. So that the constructor, if you think we just like that, so you have to more of that about the things, you have to just message me. Thank you so much about all the things. Thank you. And coming to the that thing, we have discussed about all the things of constructor. And okay that so thank you so much. We have discussed both whole about the all the things. And yeah, so we have to close that video. Thank you